911, what's your emergency?
Someone's trying to break in.
What's your address?
I don't know the address.
I need you to breathe for me. Are you at?
Yes.
Who's there?
I think we were at a treatment center, and the guy pulled a knife on me in front.
Where is he at right
with
now?
the knife. He's in the front right now
Trying
with
to
the
break
knife, holding a hostage out front, trying to break in.
He's holding a hostage, you said?
Yes, he has a person outside with the knife.
Are the doors locked?
No, he's in the front. He broke into the front. I have 9 people here.
Okay.
One of them has a hostage.
Stay on the phone with me. Do not hang up for anything in the world, okay?
What's that?
Don't hang up on me. Do you know who this male is?
No, he's a crazy dude.
He is not a part of the home?
No, he's not.
Okay, and who is the person he's holding hostage?
One of the clients. He has a knife.
Is he threatening to hurt him?
Yes. He said if I call the cops, he's dead. He seems out of his mind.
Where's my brother? Where's my brother? Where is he? He lives right down the street. You want to talk to me? Or you want to make this door down until your door open? No, sir. Get the out here! Right now! Stay out there, see what happens. Who's got the key to this? Whose fucking bike is this? Whose bike is this? Oh, we got a lighter? Well, I don't have a lighter. You gotta work with the lighter right here. Where's the lighter? Here. You want to talk? You want me to stab his arm off? I'll cut his arm off right now. Give me your arm. Who the are you on the phone with? Get in the house.
Me. Is everybody okay? Stay on the ground, man.